Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey towards a healthier you. Have you been on the lookout for something new and exciting to add to your diet? Something that can break the monotony and bring a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals? Maybe you're tired of the same old veggies and you're craving something that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients? Something that can transform your meals from bland to grand? Well, stick around because today, I've got a hidden gem that might just become your next favorite. It's versatile, nutritious, and oh so delicious. Now I know what you're thinking. How can one food possibly tick all the boxes? How can it be both a nutritional powerhouse and a culinary delight? Imagine something versatile enough to be roasted, pureed, or even turned into a delightful soup. A food that can adapt to any recipe and still shine. This mystery ingredient is so rich in vitamins and minerals that it's bound to boost your health game to the next level. It's like nature's multivitamin wrapped in a delicious package. And guess what? It's also a fantastic addition to both savory and sweet dishes. Intrigued yet? Imagine the possibilities in your kitchen. Let me take you on a journey through the benefits of this wonder food. You'll be amazed at how much goodness is packed into this humble ingredient. First off, it's a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It's like having a treasure trove of health benefits in your pantry. Think vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all in one amazing package. It's like hitting the nutritional jackpot every time you take a bite. Plus, it's low in calories, making it perfect for anyone watching their weight. You can indulge without the guilt, knowing you're nourishing your body. But that's just the beginning. There's so much more to this ingredient than meets the eye. This ingredient is also known for its antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress and keep you feeling youthful and energized. It's like a natural elixir for vitality. Are you someone who loves cooking? Do you enjoy experimenting with new ingredients and recipes? Great, because this versatile ingredient can be used in countless recipes. From appetizers to main courses, and even desserts, the sky's the limit. From comforting soups to hearty casseroles, the possibilities are endless. You can create a whole menu around this one ingredient. And if you have a sweet tooth, don't worry. There are plenty of dessert options too. Imagine a pie or a creamy pudding. But wait, there's more. This food is not just good for your body, but it's also kind to your taste buds. Its natural sweetness and creamy texture can elevate any dish, making it a hit at family dinners or solo meals. Imagine the joy of sharing a delicious, nutritious meal with your loved ones. Imagine impressing your friends and family with a dish that's both nutritious and delicious. You'll be the star of the dinner table. All right, I won't keep you in suspense any longer. It's time to reveal the star of the show. Ready to discover what this fantastic food is? It's none other than butternut squash. Yes, this humble squash is a superfood in disguise. It's time to give it the recognition it deserves. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to pick one up and give it a try. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting health tips and recipes. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.